So my box has these 6 keys that once you put them in the correct positions, then it'll allow the lid to be lifted straight up. So it helps to have a pencil to just help push them out. But and then you can slide them out, like this one has to go to the 3rd position. This one has to go to the 2nd, so does this one. And then once all the keys are in place, then the lid will just, they have to be in the perfect spot or else it won't work. And then the lid lifts out.
Okay, so to begin opening this box, make sure this black marking is facing towards you. Then tilt the box at about 30 degrees and pull the lid, and you have to jiggle a little. Then you'll see that the black marking has moved. Then tilt the box to your left side and pull it, and it comes off.
Okay, so this box is a really simple 2-step equation. It's got 2 main pieces that you have to take out before you can actually open the box. And so first, it goes in a specific order because this piece also locks the 2nd piece that you have to take out. So this is the first piece that you have to take out, and it's just a dowel rod attached to a wooden piece. And then next, there's a 2nd end piece that you have to pull out. As you can see, there's a hole in the 2nd end piece, which is what the dowel rod goes through. And so you have to remove the dowel rod first before you can remove this. And once you can remove this, the lid will come off.
This is a boat. Nothing to it except when you remove
Okay, so in order to solve my box, you have to pull out the rod that is in the top right corner, and then you have to pull out this arm of wood and pull that out, and you have to stick this rod through this hole and push out the box that holds the key in order to unlock the lock. And then you're dead.
Let's restart it. So, how you open my box is you just spin it, and then you pull up, and the top comes off.